Welcome to Trending Motor Vibes, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we dive deep into the modern modified 2025 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R, a compact hatchback transformed into a masterpiece of performance, style, and technology. This customized Wagon R boasts a bold new design with an aggressive body kit, featuring a sculpted front bumper, sharper LED DRLs, and a blacked-out honeycomb grille for a sporty appeal. The custom alloy wheels, finished in gunmetal grey, give it a premium stance, while low-profile performance tires enhance grip and stability. The roof is now equipped with a dual-tone spoiler, and the side skirts add to the aerodynamic efficiency. Under the hood, this modified Wagon R packs a custom-tuned 1.2 litres DualJet petrol engine, producing an impressive 100+ horsepower. A free-flow exhaust system not only boosts performance but also delivers a deeper, more aggressive exhaust note. The upgraded cold air intake system improves throttle response, while a remap ECU fine-tunes the power delivery for a more engaging drive. Inside, the cabin has been completely revamped with a premium touch. The dashboard features a custom digital instrument cluster with real-time performance metrics. The stock seats have been replaced with sporty racing bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in leather with contrast stitching, enhances the driving experience. The infotainment system now includes a 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paired with a premium surround sound system for an immersive audio experience. The suspension has been upgraded with performance coilovers, offering better handling and ride comfort. Disc brakes on all four wheels ensure superior stopping power, while an advanced traction control system keeps the car planted even at high speeds. Custom ambient lighting and an illuminated scuff plate add a futuristic vibe to the interior. This modern modified 2025 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R is a testament to how a budget-friendly hatchback can be transformed into a performance-oriented beast. Whether it's the enhanced styling, boosted power, or tech-laden cabin, every element contributes to a thrilling driving experience. Stay tuned to Trending Motor Vibes for more exciting builds, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in-car modifications.